kami pa lang yung tao, kaya makakapag-video-video pa.
I've never seen you this sad before. This is stressing me out. Held into face so that I could bring your head in the clouds. I don't know the right thing to say, so I say whatever comes to my head. But that happened a while ago, so I wrote you a song instead. Love, there's no need to rush. We don't have to hurry. Things will fall to its place. So let's take our time and call me tonight, yeah. Everything is okay.
Ang ganda, no?
Kalimat selfie lang.
Let's see, guys.
Hindi na siya malutong eh.
Wala na siyang tunog. Grabe na. Juicy naman. Ito ang sauce.
Limaga, dai, dirita dai.
Nandiyan na, may picture naman na tayo sa taas.
Dami tayo dyan.
Respect pa rin dapat, di ba? Kaya
Parang bundok siya.
dati mga kalisa yung tumatakbo dyan.
Sana hindi nila inalis yung kalesa.
Kung makikita mo dun sa lumang mga video nila, ito, Colon Street. Si
Haring Peter.
Hanhon ang umabot.
Bumabon.
Oh, ako na ba? May alam pa ako.
Yan ang elemento.
Mataba yung hari ng Cebu nung una, ma'am.
We're going to Magellan's Cross. Nakatabi lang ng Santo Niño Church. Ano lang siya? Parang binahay lang yung cross. This cross of Pindayan with any cases of original cross.
May 10 na ba? 10 or 9?
Hi guys. Nauhaw. May condense.
Nainiinit kinigit.
May.
So, na ba? Pwede na ka-charge.
Ganda ng tugtog nila eh. Para nga siyang Intramuros. Ay, hindi po kayo. Ito ay bawal yun.
Historical places dito sa ano.
Yeah, Cebu. Kasi siya yung unang... Ano tawag yun, mama, sa prutas na yan? Makob. Ano yun, makob?
And I've been watching you from afar, so then I knew you always have something magical surrounding you. And I'm the one to blame, 'cause I get shy when you're around. And I am running out of time. Why can't I be myself when I'm with you, baby? It's hard for me to be true. Why do I pretend that I am cool or something for you to like me too? Why do I try so hard? It feels like I am stuck in you. You keep being yourself while I'm falling for you. I know that.
That's the road, guys. Papahinga lang kami. Tapos bukas, mawal-buwal na. Nag-food panda na lang kami, guys. Kasi pagod na. Tsaka anong oras na rin. Yan, kanin lang. Tapos walang utensils, kaya magkakamay na lang kami. Yun na.
To be true.